Hey, good morning. My name is Vicki Wooden, and I want to make this quick video not only about taking control over the things that tempt you to make poor choices, but I also want to put something in your head about the power of intention. Okay, so I'm starting the day a little late. I slept really good last night. Thank you to Slim PM, and I didn't get up until 7. But just because I got up an hour later than I normally do does not mean that I'm not going to get my workout in. I believe that you have to change your workout up, okay? I spent a lot of time on the treadmill, and I think I really impacted thigh muscles yesterday, and that is totally what I intended to do. You're making progress when you can feel it and you can see it, okay? So this morning, I just want to talk quickly about the power of intention and also the power of play. Okay, so as many of you know, I am a retired school teacher. I taught pre-kindergarten 19 of my 33 years, and I learned the power of play. And I believe that that is one of the things that helped me to stay young at heart. Okay, but when we're talking about taking control, I'm talking about taking control of your day, taking control of your body, taking control of your health. Okay, now it's morning. What are you going to eat for breakfast? Okay, I'm talking about, I remember when I was a school teacher and on my way to work down the hill, at the bottom of the hill, I stopped at the Shell station and I got a cappuccino and I got a donut. And after about 2 months, I was like, whoa, what the heck? Whose thighs are these? That crap creeps up on you. And then you become complacent that this is just me, right? And then you buy bigger clothes to try to still look cute or to try to disguise some of the fat. But the fat is not only seen on the outside, you can't hide it, but it's also on the inside, wreaking havoc on your organs, your health. Okay, your breathing, your heart, and over time, it's going to cause you to have to be on medications. Okay, it's going to cause high blood pressure. It's going to cause diabetes. It's going to open the door. Being overweight will open the door to all kinds of illnesses. What I'm talking about is taking control over those urges for the cupcakes, for the pop in the teacher's lounge or the workroom lounge. Take control over the lattes, over the, what are those things that you get at McDonald's, the coffee looking thing that has all the froth at the top and stuff. I'm talking about taking control over the desires for all of those, taking control over the rice. People tell me, oh, my problem is I eat really healthy, but my problem is everything that come after that. But I'm talking about taking control over it. We have a kit in Total Life Changes that is the control kit. I'm going to be talking about this control kit all the way through 2018 because it is one of the best kits that Total Life Changes has come up with. Not only that, but the price on it is totally amazing. You are so worth this kit. You are so worth investing in this kit so you can stop eating the rice. You can stop eating the bread. That means stop eating the toast. You can stop putting the cream and the sugar in your coffee in the morning. That's making you fat and sick and sluggish. You say it tastes good, but it's messing up your organs. I have a kit that is going to help you get rid of the intestinal sludge. Do you know that you can carry anywhere from 5 to 40 pounds of intestinal sludge, feces, in your body at any given time? You think you went and had a bowel movement last night or 2 days ago and you find you got all kind of SH in you that is making you sick. Some people are addicted to the laxatives. That is not getting rid of all of that sludge. Okay. With this control kit, you can control your metabolism. You can boost your metabolism so that you can start losing weight like the doctor told you to do. You can use this tea, okay? And before I started using this ISO tea, and this ISO, I don't know if it shows right on my camera, but this is ISO tea. This is a detox tea. This is not the 10-day green cleanse. I see people like, me and my friends, we all taking the 10-day green cleanse, and I'm like, oh, okay. So then what do you do after the 10 days? You go back to what you've been doing, and you gain weight, and you still look the same. I'm talking about a lifestyle change. I'm talking about a compound effect. I'm talking about drinking this tea every day. I've been drinking it for 3 years. And I know that I have turned back the hands of time. I'm getting ready to play and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. But this tea is in the control kit. This is a detox tea. There's no caffeine in here. No, you don't add anything to it unless you want to add a little bit of fruit. And I do mean a little bit of fruit, like maybe a fourth of a cup of fruit to the tea. Drink the tea, eat the fruit. Okay. And then also this is the power. This is the power. Both of these are so powerful, but this is what's going to help you with those cravings. This is what's going to help you not want the donut, the rice, the pasta, the bread, the sugar, the pie, the Slurpee. You know, I see people overweight walking around with them big old gas station Slurpees and looking cute from the neck up. Come on. It's time to take control over those things. I'm telling you, my mom stopped eating bread and cheese because of this. I can't even tell you the last time I've eaten rice, and I make the bomb spaghetti for everybody else. I don't eat it. I've gotten away from that. These drops has helped me to get away from that. These are resolution drops. You put 10 little droplets under your tongue 15 minutes before you eat, and I promise you, you will not be able to clean your plate. And I give you permission to not clean your plate. You grown. You don't have to clean your plate. If you don't want to see a lot of food left over that you could feed a village with, then don't put no whole bunch of food on the plate, because these resolution drops are not going to let you finish that. Anyway, with the resolution drops, with this control kit, you drink this tea with your food, This is not a meal replacement. You drink 8 ounces with lunch, 8 ounces with dinner, 4 ounces with a snack every day. Don't skip. Don't give yourself permission to skip and then come tell a lie, say it didn't work. No, you didn't work it. I promise you, if you use this kit every day the way you're supposed to, you will lose weight. Not only that, but this comes with a meal plan and a support group and a coach. Whoever you purchase it from will become your coach, pull you into a support group with other coaches, and you will stay on this product and you will reach your goal. You have to have a goal. To have no goal, you can't reach none. Okay. Don't be ashamed to set one. You ain't got to tell me what your goal is, but if you know that you're tired of the way your clothes fit in, you're tired of the way you look when you get out of the tub and you're standing in front of the mirror, then you got to do something. You have got to take control. This is the control kit. No caffeine, no caffeine. This is going to suppress your cravings, suppress your appetite. And over time, you're going to be like, dang, I can't even think of the last time I had a donut. You know, I'm telling you, this is the control kit. Okay. Along with it, as I said, you get a meal plan. We tell you drink water so that you can flush out your body. Remember, at any time, you can be holding anywhere from 5 to 40 pounds of fecal matter. You wondering why you looking pregnant? It ain't no baby. Okay. Do you know how many yards of intestines you have in there? You better Google it, because in that intestines, you got some fecal matter just sitting in there, turning toxic. You think it stink and look bad when it comes out of your body? It was stinking and looking bad in your body. Yep. She's like, this nigga done got up talking about, yes, I'm talking about doo-doo today, because you have got to get that doo-doo out of you, okay? Because it is making you sick. It is causing inflammation in your body. It is toxic. It is absorbing into your system and just making you sick. Now, here's the thing. Once you start detoxing and once you start losing that weight anywhere with these, you're going to lose anywhere from 1 to 3 pounds a day. I promise you. Set a goal and you are going to meet that goal. You just have to be consistent, and then you will have a happier look on your face. Okay. And it's not going to be fake. And then you will be able to exercise. Today, instead of me getting on the treadmill, I have decided that I'm going to play right here in my house. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn on my laptop and I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to look for the video about hula hooping. Okay. And can y'all do this? I'm going to do my hula hoop exercise. What is that going to do? That is going to help me to get control of this waistline. Hula hoop. It's helping with my waistline. It's helping with my balance. Not bad for 63. You know what? It don't happen by accident. It happens by intention. What is your intention? Okay, you got to have some intention. I went to bed with the intentions of playing today. Okay, I've got some toys. This is my swivel board. Okay, this is my swivel board. When I'm watching the news to see what our president is doing, I'm going to get on my swivel board and swivel. Okay? All through the day, I'm going to be swiveling, and I'm going to put it where other people in my house can see it and use it and swivel as well. I might swivel around the house. I got myself caught in a little, but I want y'all to see this. I hope y'all can see the floor, but $39. Where you get it, Miss Vicki? Target. Same thing for the hula hoop. Target, Walmart. And this was launched on Shark Tank, the swivel board. Miss Vicki, getting low. Yeah, I've already started drinking my coffee. Check this out. Just that little bit of swivel. I think I got some sweat right there. Yes, I'm playing today. Another thing that I'm going to do today, I'm going to play with my ball. I'm going to toss it with my granddaughter, but also I'm going to go on YouTube and find some Pilates exercise. Okay, I have the power of intention to play. You don't stop playing because you got old. You don't stop playing because you're getting old, but you will get old if you stop playing. My name is Vicki, and I say it's time to take control of some things. Start out with this control kit. Get with a Total Life Changes rep if you have one, and tell them, hey, tell me about the control kit. You need these drops. Okay, because of these drops, I know I'm going to eat right. Because of this tea, I know I'm not going to be carrying around a whole bunch of fecal matter, okay? I'm going to be dropping it like it's hot. All right. Y'all have a great day, a wonderful day. Be intentional. Don't just let things happen. Take control. I love you.